So now we're going to agree. Of course, we agree to the license terms and the privacy policy. I mean, what would be in the privacy policy that we wouldn't agree to?
I don't know, maybe the same thing in the comments of healthcare.gov. All right, so let's hit yes here, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Okay, everybody, Visual Studio Express 2013 for Windows Desktop is now installed on our lab machine here. So let's go ahead and launch this sucker.
I like the new Visual Studio logo.
I do too.
I think they simplified it pretty well. It's a nice design.
The only thing I don't like about the new Visual Studio, I'll show you in a sec,
is the social networking aspects.
Well, you know me, I don't really care for that kind of stuff in the first place. But it's the fact that the menu bars, everything is uppercase, like it's yelling at you.
Yeah, that does annoy me.
File, edit, build. You know, it's like Visual Studio got drunk, and then it just got angry at me. That's how I feel. It battered developer syndrome. Maybe that's
it doesn't like help you to identify the menus. The words just all kind of blur together.
Yeah.
For me, Visual Studio is best with ReSharper.
With what?
With ReSharper.
What is that?
It's a code refactoring tool set, but it extends Visual Studio to give you like much faster find and search features and better keyboard shortcuts. And I mean, you can just like zip around Visual Studio with the default Control F find. If you try to go like Control F find entire solution for some word, it's like,
oh yeah,
it freaks out, and then you accidentally hit Tab, and you're like, why is it finding replacing everything in the solution with dot?
Yeah,
I've
never
really
understood. I mean, every version of Visual Studio has been like that.
Yeah, and now it's like up in the upper right corner, and it's like really tough to see what's like, what the hell's actually going on.
Mm-hmm.
It's really dumb. There should really just be separate shortcuts for the different modes.
Mm-hmm.
And there probably is, but it's just annoying. So you can do things like Control-Shift-G will automatically find all references, and if there's only one, it'll jump you to it.
Mm-hmm.
Like Alt-Left arrow will jump you back to the last line of code you were at. Stuff like that just makes it very quick. Or if you have like a dumb for loop or some for each statement and you just weren't thinking, there's a little button that says Convert to Link. Stuff like that. It just makes it go kind of quick. You can highlight a section of lines and then say, extract to method, and it'll identify all the variables required to pass into the method that you create. It's nice.
That is awesome.
It is awesome.
What is not awesome is how long it's taking to prepare for first use.
Oh, yeah. They warn you. This may take a few minutes. So my expectations they have properly managed my expectations. So I'm good.
What they should do, I mean, just for the hell of it, is at least give us some, like, knock-knock jokes while this is happening, Uh-oh. Wait. Oh! See, look, it's yelling at me. Look at this. File! View!
Blue team, go! Blue team, go!
Okay, so you guys can probably instantly see the similarities between Visual Studio and Xamarin Studio. So let's go ahead and start a new project here.